Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I don't have a tutorial to share. Well, it is a tutorial, but this is more of an informative one. This is, I'm actually going to show you how to use the Ornate Border dies in this Ornate Garden Suite. And actually, if you just get the Ornate Thanks bundle, you will also get the Ornate Border dies, and they come in that bundle. Now, a few of my customers already purchased this because it went live April 1st to customers. It is an early release. It will be in our new annual catalog. Some of these are already on back order till May 4th, but put it on your wish list because you're going to want this. They are so beautiful, and if you follow me, you know that I've done a few actually treat boxes or treat holders with them, and I just used it on one of my projects on Thursday for my Facebook Live, and I wanted to show you how to use them because I struggled with them at first, and there are a few pointers that I need to point out to you, so it makes it super fun and easy. I don't want anybody to be frustrated with these because they're so beautiful. You're really going to want to have them. This is the Ornate Thanks bundle, so you get the border dies and the Ornate Thanks stamp set. If you get the suite, you also get the Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper and the Ornate Style bundle, which are the ornate layers, and these are the ones I used for my boxes and treat holders recently, and the Ornate Style stamp set, which is gorgeous. And then if you also get the suite, you get the embossing folder, the ribbon combo pack, and the gilded gems. But I wanted to just go over that because I think some people don't realize that this is already available to the customer, because usually demonstrators only get to pre-order, and but this was an early release that Stampin' Up! Did, and I think this is the first time since I've been a demonstrator I can remember them doing this. It's just so beautiful. You're going to want to have it. The paper does have kind of a retro look to me. I love the paper. It's so pretty. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I wanted it to be kind of short so I can just show you how to use these. So I am going to bring the big shot up here because we're going to cut a few out so that I can show you. All right, so these are the dies right here. And the only two, I think, are this one and this one that you might have an issue with. These two will cut out, you know, perfectly as a border. And then I'm gonna show you how to use this piece too, because I think some people probably don't know how to use that. And anyway, this is gorgeous. I may run it through at the end if I have time, but I really want to show you how to use these. All right, so on these dies there are some little points here, and these are actually guides. Wherever these guides are, that edge is the cutting edge. Same on this one. This has the little points. This is the cutting edge. So when you are cutting a border on your card, okay, I'm just going to show you if this was a card and you wanted a border on the edge here. You are going to put the points away from you. They're going to be up against the side that you don't want cut. And then, let me see, grab a little bit of purple tape here and just to hold it down for us. All right, let's send this through and I'm going to show you. Let's run it back. So, oh, I should have brought my brush, and maybe I have it. Let's see. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to quickly just, usually I'll do this with the die on there, but it's pretty good. So look how gorgeous that would be if it was on the front of your card. Wouldn't that be beautiful? All right, now if you don't do it the way I showed you, with the cutting edge away from you, let me get this out of the way. I need some plates so bad. I'm going to do it on this side just to show you. All right, so if you turn it and you have these points, over here on this side, I'm going to run that one through and show you what happens. I don't have to have that perfect, I just want to show you. All right. Okay, so now look what happens. Whoa, that ain't gonna work for a pretty border. I just messed this one up. But, you know, if you wanted the border on there, no, it's not gonna work. Because you just put the cutting edge up against the side here. It needs to go on the outside. Wherever this point is, that needs to go on the outside if you want a border on your card. So let me show you again. Let me get another piece. Because this took me a while to understand. I don't know, maybe it was just me, but I didn't realize that there was a purpose to these until I figured it out. And I didn't even look to see, actually I have these borders already on my magnetic platform, so I don't know if there was any instructions for them. Again, I'm going to just put that on the edge. The cutting part is on the outside, and then we're going to run this through. Okay, so now you have your edge that's going to have the border on it. It's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. But on this, actually, this die, you want to run it through a couple times, like back and forth, a couple times, so that you can get all those pieces and you won't have to sit and pick them out. It works really good. I've used it several times now. I told you I'm obsessed with this suite. You may have been able to tell since I've done so many projects using it. All right, now I'm going to show you how to use this extra piece right here. Let me get these other pieces out of here. So we're going to use this piece for this example, and I'm just going to set it here like that. And we're going to run this one through. Okay, so this side is going to cut because that was the cutting side there, right? I'm going to cut this off. And let's see if I can get some of these out of there so you can see. All right, so this other little thin piece is going, it actually fits around here, around your little flowers. And so I need, again, let's use a little sticky note since it's sitting here. And then we're going to run this through. Moved a bit on me, but and so what that does is it gives you a really nice clean edge if you want to use that like as a separate border, like going this way, or by putting a piece under it, you can do something like that. So, so pretty. There's so much you can do with these. It's really, really, oh, it's just so fun. And that goes for this one as well. I'll show you what this one looks like. Yeah, let's do it on here. It's not going to be the full, it's not going to be the full thing, but let's put this flatter one on the bottom. We'll run this one through. I'll just show you. I had one cut out, but I don't see it here. I have so much on my desk right now. So there's that one. If you want it on the edge, Of course, you have to get all the little pieces out. This one's a little bit more delicate. You need to be more careful with getting your pieces out, but look how pretty. Let's see if I got something I could put behind it that you can see. I don't know if you can see it that well with this because it's not really that dark, but these little pieces, and then you can use these pieces. You've seen me use these in my couple of my projects that I used. I just save these when they come out because you can use them. But be very careful because they are thin. You don't want to rip the pieces. But they come out really cute. And then all the little flowers and their petals. So that's that one. Isn't that pretty? All right, so that is it. I just wanted to show you how to use those. I don't want anybody to get frustrated with them and try to have to fool like I did to try to figure out how to work those. But they're so beautiful that I know you're going to want them. I just know they're going to be so beautiful for cards or for 3D projects as well. And look at all the dies that you get. Oh, I was going to run that one through for you, but let's just cut it short. And I'm sure I'm going to use this on a project here, probably soon. It's so pretty. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that was a little bit of information for you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Thanks, everyone. Have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.